Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, this kind of bar changed slightly. So here we've got totally different options, and this option at the top is connected to the resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see in this device we can choose between two options: 1080p with 30 frames per second, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, and 720p with the same amount of frames. So let's simply tap on the option, it will be immediately highlighted. You can also see it right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.